Alright, so ito na po, papakasin na yung muffler para makapagpa-install ng auto sensor bang. Kasi syempre importante yun sa motor, lalo sa mga EFI, para maging tama yung bato ng air fuel ratio sa ECU. So yan, let's see if we can still discuss yung purpose ng auto sensor sa mga EFI na motor, kung bakit kailangan natin palagyan to at hindi as much as possible na hindi i-bypass.
Pero din naman kayong bang dito. Uber kasi.
Alright, so just got home sa pagpapakabit ng auto sensor bang dun sa muffler shop. So ginawa nila, binaklas. Mas madali na ngayon kasi naka-align na lahat ng tubo dito sa bracket. So it's easier compared to yesterday when I installed this. So ginawa nila is yan, nagbutas dito sa loob sa exhaust, dalawa kasi dalawa ang auto sensor ng Vulcan 900. So that's what we did, and it has a good clearance naman dito. Hindi man siya nakadikit sa swing sa chassis. So all is well. Total cost sa kanila is 400 sa labor kung may sarili kang auto sensor bang may papakabit. But if sa kanila lahat-lahat, it's gonna be 500 per installation. So this one costs 1,000. Nagtip na lang ako kasi natuwa ako sa pagkakagawa, and they're very meticulous. Simple lang yung shop nila. It's here in the video kung anong name ng shop. It's in Bacoor. Maayos pagkakagawa. They really know what they're doing. I think they're known in Bacoor kasi mukhang matagal na yung shop na yun dun eh. Nakikita ko yun lagi even before. So yeah, so just an update. All is well na dito sa Vulcan. Kompleto na, nothing to worry about. May auto sensor na siya nakakabit. So well, main reason why I needed to have that installed and not to bypass it, kahit na hindi naman umiilaw yung FI indicator dito or FI light, is para tama naman yung nare-read ng ECU na from the exhaust, kung tama yung naibabato sa kanya. Otherwise it will give a wrong reading and may lead to an air fuel ratio na either rich or lean. So kapag may auto sensor ang motor ninyo, just make sure that you have that installed, that you have the auto sensors installed to your bike. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much again. Bye everyone.